Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Boyce bought a house for $96,000 in 1995. The real estate broker indicated that the houses in this area were appreciating at an average rate of 7%. If the appreciation remained steady at this rate, what is the value of the Boyce's home in 2009? Okay, so that's a question that's going to take you multiple steps, but all I want to do right now is write the equation that we would use. So the first thing I'm going to ask you is it a growth or decay or compound interest? It is growth. And how do we know it's growth? So the word appreciation, appreciating, that's growth. That right there is an indication it's growth. Okay, so growth, y equals a1 plus r to the t. Remember, you guys, with growth, you're always going to add. For right now, just the equation, is there a number for y? Nope. So y stays. What was the initial value of the Boyce's house? Okay. 1 plus r. What is the rate that they give you? So the annual rate is 7%, so how do you write it as a decimal? And then t and time would be that way. So tonight on your homework, you guys, this is exactly what you're going to do. All I want you to do tonight is write an equation. Okay, you ready for number 4? Zeller Industries bought a piece of weaving equipment for $60,000. It is expected to depreciate at an average rate of 10% per year. Okay, so is it growth, decay, or compound interest? So it is decay. And you guys, what word told us it was decay? Depreciate means decay. Okay, so now watch the difference in the formulas, you guys. Y equals A1 minus R to the T. So depending on whether it's decay or growth, it depends on whether it's a subtraction or addition. Okay, so just like anything else, we're looking for the end, so the Y is going to stay. How much did the piece of equipment cost? So you guys always go back. So, okay, what was the initial value? How much did I spend? How much did I give? That's what that is. Now it's going to be 1 minus, well, what is our rate? What rate did they give us? 10%. So rate of 10%. We need to write it as a decimal, 0.10, and then the T stays. Yes.
Do you never put anything for T?
Okay. So number 4 is done. Let's do number 5. Kyle saved $500 from a summertime job. He plans to spend 10% of his savings each week on various forms of entertainment. At this rate, how much will Kyle have left after 15 weeks? So is this a growth, a decay, or a compound interest? It is a decay problem. And you guys, this one doesn't have decrease, but it does have the word spend. And spend means you are decreasing your amount. Decay is Y equals A. So remember, when you're writing the equation, the Y will not be filled in and the T will not be filled in. We're going to do that tomorrow. Okay, so we're looking for how much he's going to have left. How much did Kyle start off with? Okay, it's decay, so it's 1 minus. How much is he spending? 10%. So this is our rate, and we're going to write it as a decimal. And then t is our exponent. So this is what I'm going to have you do tonight. This is all you're going to do, okay? Transportation, last problem. You guys are doing a good job. Tiffany's mother bought a car for $9,000 5 years ago. She wants to sell it to Tiffany based on a 15% annual rate of depreciation. At this rate, how much will Tiffany pay for this car? So, growth, decay, or compound interest? What word gave it away that it was decay? Yeah, it says depreciation. Okay? Okay. Y stays. How much did, so we're buying, like she bought a car, right? So how much did she buy the car for? Okay. She's basing it on depreciation. So how much is it depreciating? What is our rate?
15%.
How do you write that? 0.1. And then we put a T. Okay. Don't pack up.